What is up, guys? Today we have something very special. We are going to try and see if we can get the fabled mana vault. But of course, just getting new cards is always fun. Let's start out with Vault Boy. Hard work is happy work. So I actually just finished watching the Fallout TV show. Never really played the game much, and I have to say, I'm quite happy with the show. Alright, so we're gonna do this by opening one whole round first, and then when we get to the repeats, that's where we'll see how it goes. Let's put the secret card aside. It can honestly be a bit tricky opening these. Okay. Right, let's go through the cards. First, Vault Boy, Cap Collector. I think the art's pretty cool. Not so much the actual card. Sphere of Resistance. This guy is actually pretty nice to look at. Trinosphere, that's an atomic bomb. In my old Eldrazi Tron deck, this would have been useful. Winter Orb, a nasty card, but cool art. So that's a short one, 4 cards. I think my favorite will have to be these two. It's hard to choose. Let's see what this is. Codex Shredder. That's nice too. I like the way this is drawn. I have to say my favorite card will actually be this card, followed by these two. Yeah. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. Put these aside. Put this here. Next we have Points of Interest. Revolutionizing safety for an uncertain future. That's cool. It's something different. I appreciate the little details like that. Got my mat stuck to that. A little bit of cleanup. Alright. Fallout. The game definitely did kind of make me want to play more of my Bioshock game I got for the Switch. This is awesome. Terminator. So this is the lens one, which I thought was very useful. Can't go wrong with lens. Alright, secret card. Let's try to get this out safely. There has to be a better way to open this without using a scissors and whatnot. I guess that's one way. Okay, here we go. This one is quite a number. Bajuka Bog. Straight out of the bag, this is my favorite one. For now. Command Beacon. That's fun. I like how it looks like it's crayon. Fabled Passage. Pretty cool. Reflecting Pool. I like that. The face is different. But actually it's just a reflection, so that's actually very smart. Reliquary Tower. Sir. So this is a card I managed to get when I first started Magic. When Ikora came out with the Godzilla. And I always thought it was a very cool card, but it doesn't see as much play as I thought. Favorite card? This guy. This thing is really growing on me though. Yeah, these three come in second. Alright, special card. Waist. But I actually really like these waist. You guys just be chilling. Let's take a quick closer look. You can see the bodies behind. Look at that. Look at that. That's amazing. Yeah. It's a nice land. Alright. Let's move on. Let's put my favorite one right in front. And then our shiny card. Alright. Special. So the Fallout game, the mobile one, which I think this is uses the art of, I'm not too sure. I used to play just a little bit, but it just didn't really attract me much. But what did this one say? You're special. Let's see if this is the special one. Steel Shaper's Gift. Special card. Put it here. Alright, let's get this out. Alright, let's get into it. Steel Shaper's Gift. Propaganda. Elixir of Immortality. Council's Judgment. Idyllic Tutor. Anger. Is there a Nuka-Cola? It looks like it. Lightning Bolt. And that's it. So we have these, which is my favorite. I'm not sure actually, they all kind of seem the same to me. Just a nice series. You know, you're buying the little rooms, little vaults. Yeah. I guess this one and this one, pretty cool. And then this one too, because of the robots. Yeah. Alright, let's see what's the secret card. Another waist. Okay. So we've gone one round. Let's go for the speed round now. We'll just be looking at the back. So we're 0 for 3. Let's see if we're lucky for this one. Steel Shaper's Gift. And waist. Okay. I'll open those properly later. Let's just try to move things quicker. Point of interest. Will we get to Mana Vault Land? Let's revolutionize safety for an uncertain future by taking 3 damage. What was it for? Wajukabog. Alright, he's giving us the thumbs up. So no matter what, even if I don't get it, it's always nice to have it's always nice to have gone through an unboxing. Waist. Alright, let's put our waist here. We have one last shot at this. Can we get it? Hard work is happy work. Can we get it? Can we get it? Mr. Vault Boy Cap Collector? Can we get the special card? Ah, Codex Shredder. For a moment I was like, oh my god, it's not a waist, but it's a Codex Shredder. So alas, we didn't get it. But still a very cool unboxing, so Thanks for watching.